Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a powerful diagnostic tool that's making waves in the automotive world, the KINGBOLEN K10 Pro bidirectional OBD2 scanner. If you're a DIY mechanic or a pro tech, this might just be the scanner you've been waiting for. Okay, let's talk about features. The KINGBOLEN K10 Pro features an Android 10.0 fast operating system, CPU 4-core processor, and 2.0 GHz that greatly increases the speed of running multiple tasks. With a larger battery capacity 12,600 mAh and an LCD 10-inch 1280 by 800 display, and a storage memory of 4 GB plus 128 GB, allowing you to record more vehicle documents, repair information, and customer data. It features professional functions like topology mapping, ECU coding, VAG-guided functions, PMI function, 4K+ active tests, all systems diagnosis, 40+ maintenance, 5 extended modules, CAN-FD, DUI-IP, plus FCA, SGW, diagnostic. Now talk about wireless OBD2 scanner performs more than 40 comprehensive service functions, including oil, EPB, SAS, throttle, BMS, TPMS reset, ABS bleeding, injector coding, fuel trim reset, cylinder power balance, crankshaft sensors relearn, 0-point calibration, fuel injector balance, language change, stop-start reset, AF reset, and more. KINGBOLEN K10 Pro introduces the innovation of module topology mapping, which illuminates the interplay between diverse vehicle modules and swiftly pinpoints faulty ones in a single glance. This feature slashes guesswork, enhances diagnostic of every equipped system to troubleshoot fault codes, and caters to the needs of automotive mechanics, car dealers. As a powerful bidirectional control scanner, KINGBOLEN K10 Pro can be used to verify diagnosis and pinpoint repairs needed with active actuator tests. It can locate problem areas including fuel injectors, coolant fans, coolant pumps, windshield wipers, EGR valves, sunroofs, windows, and more. It actuates solenoids and actuators for active testing to make sure all modules work well, helping you find the problems accurately. The KINGBOLEN K10 Pro scan tool supports online ECU coding for vehicles, compatible with VW, Seat, Skoda, Porsche, Benz, BMW, and more cars added constantly, which helps to match and code after ECU replacement, and personalized car settings including light module, ABS module, and can also unlock hidden functions such as movement pointer and horn alerts when unlocking the car. The K10 Pro diagnostic scanner provides you with OE-level all-equipped systems diagnostic performing dealership in-depth checks to ABS, TPMS, engine, SAS, more. You can scrutinize up to 12 in 1 live data in both text and graph, capture freeze frames, delve into ECU information. Pros: large 10-inch touch screen, Bluetooth VCI dongle, wide vehicle coverage, advanced service functions, user-friendly interface. And cons: high price point, bulky size, learning curve for beginners. Whether you're a professional technician or just serious about working on your own car, the KINGBOLEN K10 Pro gives you dealership-level diagnostics without the dealership price. It's smart, fast, and extremely capable. Check out the link in the description to learn more or grab one for yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a review.